chia seeds. We have raisins. You can choose coconut milk or almond milk. Choose any sweetener you like. We use agave. We have flax seeds. We have coconut flour. And we have hemp seeds. Now we're going to combine all the ingredients that I just mentioned. Most people ask how I measure the ingredients, but I just add as I go. My mom eyeballs things and tastes it to her liking. I normally cook for about 5 people: my papa, mom, brother and sister, and I.
Like David rejoiced before your face, your love dances over us. In Jesus we found our secret place. I will trust in you forever. He that dwells in the secret place shall abide underneath his grace. He that calls on the name of Yah will be sheltered. He that dwells in the secret place shall abide underneath his grace. And he that calls on the name of Yah.
So now you're going to mix all your ingredients until your liking.
Like Noah in the days of the flood, you pour your love on us. Like Joseph and his coat of many colors, you wrap your love around us. Like David rejoiced.
Ta-da! This is what I made.
Your love dances over us.
So delicious. Shalom, saints. Bye. I love you.